Hello kids, it's Rex. Today I'm going to draw a beautiful dress. Let's start drawing. I love drawing and painting a dress. Trying to draw and paint with me. Awesome! I'm going to paint with the colors of rainbow. Great job! Now I use this marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's paint. Pink. Red. Cream. Yellow. Red. Orange. It's going to be so beautiful after the painting. Yellow. Green. Light blue. Amazing! Blue. Please like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you. Purple. It's a wonderful dress. See you on the next video.